Take a deep breath in and feel the coolness of the breath as it enters your lungs. With every breath in, visualize positive energy being taken deep down into the lungs. And on the out-breath, feel all of the toxins and any negativity being released from your body. Just continue to observe the effortless breath of the ebb and the flow, entering and leaving your body. Now start to feel all of your muscles relaxing, particularly the areas of tension around your neck and jawline. Allow the shoulders to drop as your arms become heavy. Try to relax the knots in your belly. Feel the heaviness start to take over your legs as you press your feet firmly into the ground. On the next breath, visualize roots growing down from your feet and digging deep down into Mother Earth, anchoring your physical body to the ground. You may feel a tingling in the feet as healing energy is automatically drawn back up the roots to re-energize and revitalize you. Feel that beautiful healing energy start to flow and circulate around your body, seeping into every part of you. On the next breath, you see a sparkling ball of silver white light descend down from above, stopping just above the crown of your head. The flow of silver white light then pours down over your aura and down through your crown chakra into your body. Feel the beautiful energy above start to blend and mix with the Earth's energy, making you feel totally relaxed and safe. As the loving energy starts to blend, you feel it start to grow within your heart, and a golden light bursts out of your chest, flipping under your feet and over your head, completely encasing you in a golden bubble of light. Take a moment to bathe in this wonderful, uplifting energy, feeling it grow until the whole room is full of golden light. On the next breath, visualize rising up out of your physical body, gently rising through the roof, out into the fresh air, and slowly rising down on the earth below. As you land, you see a golden gate manifest in front of you. Walk towards it with purpose and see it start to open. As you pass through the gate, you find yourself in a cloud of mist. It feels wonderful and refreshing, and you feel it cleansing your body from all of the harsh vibrations it has picked up from the physical plane. Your being starts to expand out, and you feel incredibly light and enjoy the freedom of just floating in this beautiful space. Take a moment just to be present here, savouring this feeling. On the next breath, start to move forward, and as you step out of the mist, you find yourself beside a beautiful stream, set at the edge of a meadow. The sky is streaked with deep shades of lavender, and the lilac sun radiates a sense of warmth and love around you. You are drawn closer to the stream and notice the water is made up of sparks of silver and gold flecks of light. And as it flows past, you find yourself mesmerised by the dazzling display of colour that bounces from it when the lilac sun hits the water. Rainbow colours are darting everywhere in an explosion of light. You start to follow the path upstream, and you find yourself floating above the path. You feel light-hearted and joyous as you drift along, marvelling at the sense of freedom you have. You listen to the glorious birdsong that's all around you and feel a deep sense of peace and contentment within. You find that you are now starting to climb uphill as you follow the stream upwards. The stream starts to get wider and the noise of the water starts to get louder. You can see the water is flowing over some rock boulders, and you float above them to get a better view. As you float above, you are met with the most spectacular view of a magnificent waterfall flowing with gold and silver water, cascading down in a prism of light, landing in a pool of rainbow colours. You come to the edge of the pool, transfixed at the colourful patterns and shapes emerging from the water. Instinctively, you step forward and make your way into the water. As you do so, you feel your whole being start to stretch out and soak up this beautiful, healing water. A rush of unconditional love surrounds you, encasing you with feelings of safety and protection. As you float in these healing waters, you immediately feel a connection to a higher presence and no longer feel alone and separate. You feel your vibration rising, freeing you from the ego where your low self-esteem and negative thoughts reside. You feel powerful and strong and know that you are worthy and are deeply loved. Your heart starts to sing with joy and expand out until you feel you become one with the water. Now my voice will be silent to enable you to savour this feeling of divine grace flowing throughout your being. I will let you know when it's time to return. to floating in these healing waters. It is now time to rise up out of the water and make your way over to the path. Take a last look at the magnificent waterfall of light as it powers down from above. You feel rejuvenated and revitalized, and the wisdom deep within you understands that you can take these feelings of connection, strength, and love that have been gifted to you back to the earth plane. Knowing that you are free to come back and visit this magical place whenever you choose. On the next breath, make your way back down over the rock boulders as you follow the path back to where you started. You feel whole and complete as you float along following this beautiful stream of energy. Once more, you notice the uplifting song of the birds, and you know when you return to the earth plane, their song will help you to remain present when you hear their glorious tunes. As you find yourself back where you started, you feel the familiar cleansing mist start to descend down around you. You find yourself floating in this space, preparing to return to the earth plane. On the next breath, move forward and find yourself in front of the Golden Gate. Make your way through and watch it as it closes behind you. You now find yourself back on the earth plane outside of your building. Gently float up above the roof and then bring yourself gently down into your physical body. Visualize the roots coming back into your feet and the ball of silver white light above your head, returning up to the sky where it came from. Return to the breath. Then slowly start to move your fingers and wiggle your toes. Then very gently open your eyes. You have now come to the end of the meditation. I hope you enjoyed your experience. Remember to drink plenty of water. Sending you love and light.